Namaskaram friends, back to my original topic 108 Divya Desams. Today it's 38th Divya Desam. The Divya Desam name is Thiruvellakulam. This is again one of the 11 Tirunangur Divya Desams. This is 7 to 8 kilometers away from Sirgari. All the Tirunangur Divya Desams I would have told that they are located near Sirgari only. So this is also near Sirgari, around 7 or 8 kilometers away. Thiruvellakulam, as the name says, Vella means Sweta. This is behind the story would be behind a king called Sweta Rajan. So Sweta means Vella, and he would have done a penance for Lord Narayana near the Pushkarni. So that's why this place also gets the name Thiruvellakulam. Kulam represents Pushkarni. Let's see the details. And this is the only one Divya Desam which has the same name of Perumal as we call him in Tirupati, Srinivasa Perumal. Here also the Perumal's name is Srinivasa Perumal and Tayar name is Alamil Manga Tayar. Very similar to the god and goddesses of Tirupati. So that's other significance of this temple. They also call this temple as Ten Tirupati. Those who cannot travel to Tirupati, they can visit this temple, Thiruvellakulam. The name is same as that of Tirupati, as well as is also called as Ten Tirupati. Another thing is the Perumal is called as Anna by Thirumangai Alvar. We know Thirumangai Alvar, he treats Vishnu in different forms, as a friend, like that. So he treats here as, he calls him in his pastorams as Anna. So we also call this Perumal, Srinivasa Perumal, as brother for Tirupati Perumal. So there are so many relations, coordinations with the Tirupati. Okay, and before seeing the history, today let me talk about the festivals. The one important festival is celebrated during October month because that's when the Sweta Rajan been asked to do the penance for Lord Narayana. So that one festival is held during that. And the other very famous festival I would have told us about the Garuda Sevai that happens during the Thai month. All the 11 images from 11 Tirunangur Divya Desams are carried as Urchavas and are celebrated during the Thai full moon day, the next day full moon day, that I would have already discussed. So there are two festivals celebrated in grandeur at this place. Actually, the idols of the Perumal will be very small, it seems, but the benefits of visiting this temple is very huge. Those who have the fear of untimely death, or those who need longevity, the devotees who long for the longevity of their life or life security, if they visit this temple, it is believed that they lose their fear of death. Those who sought for the fearless life are recommended to visit this temple. So that's powerful it is. Now this is the need of our hour, need of the hour, right? So even if we cannot travel to this temple, let us meditate upon this Perumal, Srinivasa Perumal and Alamil Manga Tayar and Thiruvellakulam. Let them bestow their blessings on us. Perumal is also called as Anna Perumal. Okay. Sweta Rajan is a son of Dundumaran. Sweta Rajan is the son of Dundumaran. He got a fear, or he had a curse, that he will die during his 9th year. At a very small age, he will die. That's the curse he got. So to get rid of this curse, he went for a solution. He sought for a solution to Vasishtha Maharishi. Vasishtha Maharishi recommended him to do the penance for 1 month, from Dasami Shukla Paksham to the next month of Ekadashi Shuklam Paksham of Aipasi, and he did that penance from this temple near the Pushkarni. Lord Narayana as Srinivasa Perumal, as Anna Perumal, with Padmavati Tayar or Almel Manga, they all appeared before him, and Lord Perumal relieved the Sweta Rajan king from his curse. So that's why devotees are also recommended for to get rid of the fear of death at this place. So that's the story. Another thing, this is the place where Tirumangalvar has married his concept, Kumudavalli Nachiyar. We know, I would have already explained in detail about Kumudavalli Nachiyar. She is from the Devar Kulam. In her previous birth, she would have got a curse that she will born as a Bhumi, she will born as a normal girl in the earth, not as a Deva Kulam, and if she has to change the warrior to a Vaishnavites, and that's why her destiny is about meeting Tirumangai Alvar. Before he gets a Tirumangai Alvar's name, he was Tirumangai Mannan, correct? I would have quoted all this in my previous DVDs details. So this is the place where Tirumangai Mannan, before he was titled as Alvar, he met Kumudavalli Nachiyar here. Unlike other girls, Kumudavalli Nachiyar gave 2 conditions. One is that he has to take the mudras of the Vaishnavism, and he has to feed 1000 Vaishnavites daily. And that's why I would have explained how he turned to a burglar in order to serve the Vaishnavites, and later how Narayana bestowed his blessings on him and he got the title as Alvar. So this is the place where they got married. So we can see a shrine for Kumudavalli Nachiyar in this temple. Temple will be in the place where it is full of flowers, flower groves, lotus. It was, I think. Even now it is far away from the hustle and bustle of the town. But in the pastimes of Tirumangai Alvar, he would have stated that this place is with big lakes and with a lot of lotuses, blooms and flower groves. If you imagine, it looks like it's a very fertile land where the temple was located. Even now it's located in a place where it is far away from the town. So that's the details about 38 Divya Desams. Let me come up with the details of 13 Divya Desams tomorrow. And here we can see the Tirukolam of Perumal and Nachiyar as a Chinna Tirukolam. The idol will be very small, not like Tirupati. Tirupati, we can see only Srinivasa Perumal alone. Alamel Manga Tayar in the downstairs, right? But here we can see Perumal along with the Nachiyar's Tayar. That's the significance of this temple. Okay. So on he will, not only he will clear the fear of death, he will also destroy all the hindrances. Varaprasadi. This Perumal is also called as Varaprasadi. All the varams that we seek to him, he will bestow it to us immediately. Let us all meditate upon this Perumal and Tayar, so that we will get rid of this fear of pandemic disease. Thank you all friends. Stay safe. Namaskar.